Hey, hey! Brian Sensei here. In this video, we're going to look at how you can generate images with AI. Now, you've probably heard of OpenAI's ChatGPT. Well, OpenAI also has a tool called DALL-E. You can use DALL-E to generate custom images. Let's check it out. Okay, so first we're going to head down to our browser and we're going to type in labs.openai.com. Here you'll see the login screen. If you have already signed up with OpenAI, for example, with ChatGPT, you can go ahead and sign in with the email address that you used when you signed up with OpenAI. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up and get your account created. Okay, so here we are now at the DALL-E interface where we can now start with a detailed description of the image that we would like created. In this case, I'm going to do something fun and I'm going to ask, create a 3D rendering of Iron Man and Wonder Woman playing in a rock band. I'll click generate and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so here we have some results. This first one looks pretty good. The second one, I don't know what happened here. That's nothing like what I requested, but these last two are also pretty good. I think I like this first one the most. So let's now take a look at what we can do with this. You'll see there's a more menu in the corner and I can download this image right away to my desktop, but I can also generate variations. Let's take a look at this. All right, so here we see we've got some variations of that first image. And so there might be something interesting here that I could go ahead and work with, but I think I'd still just like the original. All right, so what else can I do here in my More menu? You'll notice there's this option to edit the image. Let's take a look at this. Down here, we can go and we can use our select tool. We have the pan tool. We also have an eraser tool. Then we have add generation frame. And finally here, we can upload an image. All right, so that is your editing tools for the image you generate. And again, here you have your download option at the top right. Also, you'll notice when you go back to your home screen, you're going to see your historical projects on the right if you'd like to get back to those. And that's how you use DALL-E to generate images. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. It doesn't cost you anything to do this, and it will help me keep my channel going. Also, if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.